Again from the nutrition. Okay, in that photosynthesis life process we are seeing life process. One of the life processes photosynthesis in living organisms called plants. So we already discussed in the first classes about important factors responsible or needed for photosynthesis. Important factors needed for photosynthesis are four are they: carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. Nothing but the part of the chloroplast. See here once again, what are the four important raw materials required for the photosynthesis? First is carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. Just listen the class with concentration. That's it. You can write without seeing again picture or notes. I assure you that you can write the answer. Minimum 3 marks you will get. Okay? Just listen. Just concentrate. Don't concentrate about the what your housemates or your parents are talking in the home. Just concentrate. Listen. The important factors for photosynthesis are four in number: carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, chlorophyll. In the last class we have seen the importance of carbon dioxide. The name of the experiment is Moll's half-leaf experiment. In that we have seen the importance of carbon dioxide, and we have removed the carbon dioxide from the wide mouthed bottle by using a chemical called KOH, potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, so compulsory carbon dioxide is necessary. Without carbon dioxide there is no preparation of glucose, so no carbohydrate, something but no starch, no blue black color. That is clear last class. Today's class is about sunlight is needed, necessary or important or not. We should check it. How? First of all, you need to take a potted plant. As usual, you need to take a potted plant with thin leaves or broad leaves, whatever you want. Okay, what is the aim? You should write aim. First step is aim. What is the aim? To prove the necessity of sunlight for the photosynthesis. Clear? Once again I will repeat. To prove the necessity of sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, sunlight is required or not. We are going to check. Aim is that one. Next step is what? Apparatus or materials required. What are the materials we want for it? First of all, potted plant. Next is what? Potted plant. For that we have a leaf, compulsory. Next is black paper. Which color paper?
Black.
Black paper. So experiment is also called what? Black
Paper.
Black paper experiment. Black paper experiment. Sir, why we should take only black paper? Why not white color? Why not blue color? Why want whatever color we want? Which color do you want? You may ask. But black color means, any guess? Black color means it does not allow the sunlight to enter through it. It cannot pass the sunlight through it. It stops the sunlight. It stops the sunlight. Black color. My skin is black color, right? Okay, right? Don't drop that. Okay. We'll go for it. Now, next is a screen. Nothing but black paper, which is cut in the shape of S, means S color. In that it will be open. Okay, S color is open here. S. Okay, so S color part should be cut and it should be getting ready for that. Now, apparatus, once again, potted plant, black paper, nothing but cut into S shape such that through the S light should enter. Remaining part of the black paper should not cut, means it should stop the sunlight. S shape you need to cut the paper, through the S only the light should enter onto the leaf. Other part totally like that. Okay, next what we should need? For starch test, which chemical we used? Starch, blue black color, if you want to get, which chemical we used? Iodine. Remember, iodine. If you use that chemical iodine, if you are putting on the leaf, if it turns into blue black color, then it is confirmed that photosynthesis is done, glucose is prepared and stored in the form of starch. Is it clear now? Iodine is there. So all we require is that one. Now, procedure, method of activity experiment. See, what is the first step? Take a potted plant. What? Take a potted plant with a leaf and put it for destarching. Destarching. Put the potted plant for destarch. Destarch it. Destarch it. Destarch it. Destarch it. Is it clear? Destarch matlab it should not get allowed to do the photosynthetic activity for 24 hours. Okay, but you are keeping this potted plant in dark room for 24 hours. Nearly 24 hours. First step is that one. Then the same potted plant should take it out, keep it in sunlight and fix the black color paper. Black color paper which is having S color shape cut, fix on it. Got it? Got it? Got it? Is it clear? Yes? So first step is take the potted plant, keep this one in the dark for 24 hours. For what purpose? To remove the starch. Again take this potted plant, keep it under sunlight and select one of the leaf to fix the cut paper of black paper in the edge and leave it for few hours to take the sunlight and photosynthesis to occur. Is it clear? One second. Procedure method. Take the potted plant, keep it in dark for 24 hours one day. Take again the same potted plant, keep it in sunlight. To the one of the leaf, you arrange the screen paper which is cut into H shape and fix on the leaf. Leave it for few hours per day to complete the photosynthesis process. If you ask me how you should do means, this is the way. Is it clear? H shape. Maybe this is yellow color, but you think is a white color. This is the leaf. Fix. If you come to school, we can have practical subject. Is it clear? You need to fix it like this. Understood? Black paper. Actually, this is yellow paper, but you think it is a black paper like this. Now, after that, you take it out. Now, observation. What next step? Observation. Observation means seeing. Take this leaf. Take this leaf. Okay. Then test the leaf with what chemical? Iodine. For what? Starch test. Iodine is used for testing the starch. Which color you get if the starch is there? Blue, black color. You get the blue, black color. So which part you get the blue, black color? Yes. Yes color is there, na cut portion. Yes color is there. Yes, sir, in the video you are getting. Yes, this S color is there, no? It is getting all four things. What are the four things? Carbon dioxide it will get. Okay, it will get carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, chlorophyll is there. Whereas this part of the leaf, this part, it is getting carbon dioxide, water. Chlorophyll is there, but sunlight, this part sunlight is there, paper part sunlight is there, no. Whether this color will get blue black color with the test with iodine, no. So how you are getting on the leaf? You get like this, yes, blue black, yes. Okay, done, clarify. So by this experiment what will confirm result? By the above activity, we proved that sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis, which is proved by the conformation of blue-black color in form of a black paper screen. Is it clear? Easy. Shall I repeat it once again? Yes, for the last time I will repeat it. For photosynthesis, four factors are important. Out of these four factors, carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide is compulsory needed, which is proved by experiment called Mohs half-leaf experiment. Today's class is about sunlight. Sunlight is important or not? For that we are doing experiment name called light screen experiment or black paper experiment. For that you need to take some apparatus or materials. Materials are potted plant, black paper, okay, clips, iodine. These are the apparatus. Procedure: take the potted plant, keep it in dark for 24 hours. Again take this one outside, keep it in the sunlight. Arrange the black paper like this. Leave it for few hours. Take that observation now. Take that thing which is fixed with the screen of paper. Test it for iodine chemical. If the S color portion is turning blue-black color, it is confirmed that this part of the S color, S-shaped cut portion is getting all the four factors. Nothing but carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, chlorophyll. So here also the cut portion got all the four factors for the photosynthesis to prepare glucose. Glucose then is stored in the form of starch. That starch is tested by iodine, which turns that color into blue-black color. Okay? So this is the small experiment for today's class. Tomorrow we are going to see the importance of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, chloroplast, chloroplast. In that chlorophyll pigment is there. Total main topic we are entering in tomorrow's next class. Chlorophyll. Okay? Right. So all the students,